just everyone just living in harmony together and loving each other no matter where you're from, what your race is, what your religion is, what colour you are, anything, because we're all God's children.
Just unity means just getting together, just united to achieve a goal or to achieve.
The coming together of the community to be one in essence, not to have the animosity that can be in the communities, and just making sure that we work well as a team more than anything. So that's what it means to
me. Is love, caring together, helping each other, because with this life we need care about each other.
Everyone coming together in happiness and love. Everyone should love each other, don't judge anybody.
More power, because if you are just alone, you can't be the same when we are all together. So unity to me means power, stronger, powerful, stronger, and it's a better way to be.
And unity means to me a place and a space where everyone feels together, feels like they can support each other. It's a sense of belief and trust in each other, I suspect, and what it is to be human.
It's basically just, having this connection to someone else and just being together despite the differences of the people.
Unity means togetherness.
Like everyone working together equally, like diversity, so everyone's treated equally, no matter what race, what colour you are, what religion you are, everyone's
trying to go in different ways.